What's up, guys? So here we are. We're in the van. Where are we at?
Cheaha.
Mount Cheaha trailhead, and it is foggy. So this is trip number 4 for Aiden. It is his 4th in a row where there is no pretty weather anywhere to be seen.
Yeah.
So we're about to get out, get our packs on, and go find us a campsite.
Yep.
Tell us what you're most excited about.
The rain.
You're excited about the rain?
I like to play in the rain.
No, you don't.
The campfire.
Oh, the campfire. Okay, well, that we might not have because it's wet. You got something on your face. See it right there? What is that?
It's probably chocolate.
Yeah. Get you a little bit of... There you go. Oh, yeah. Nice and foggy everywhere you go here. Huh? Look at the map. Well, look up here in the top. You see that red box?
Yeah.
It says you are here. So what do you think of the trail, Aiden?
Pretty good. You see me, I'm like, oh.
Are you getting a little tired yet? Yeah, we're about a half mile in. So getting to that hit point where you first start to feel it. Oh, don't run. Oh wow, 4 whole miles before the battery dies.
Now some of my fast ones, they'll last about 40 minutes.
That's cool.
Yeah, it's definitely something.
So we pretty much came to the first campsite that we came to, which is actually a pretty nice one if it wasn't like in the middle of a cloud, but I figure why hike a bunch if there's no view. But he's having a blast. But here's our tent.
It's so bright, Dad. Seriously.
So tell us what's going on.
It was
So we went outside and we tried to make a fire, right?
right, and we could not do it.
Couldn't get it to work, so we are in the tent. Well, actually, we couldn't just not get it to work. We couldn't get it to work, and then we were gonna walk up the trail and look for some like floating wood that might be drier. And then it started raining, straight up raining. And so we got our water is almost boiling. We're making some ramen noodles or ramen noodles or ramen noodles. Don't be careful. Be careful right there. Be careful right there. You're getting real close to it, okay?
Three more from their way to me, and we're using their acute.
Where you see him? What word?
Acute.
Point to it. Acute. That's right. Senses.
Senses of touch and taste.
to latch onto the right spot
and dig into their dinner.
He says, holy mackerel.
I couldn't believe how quickly
They zeroed in on their meal.
Boom.
Reading about leeches. So, I walked outside to go to the bathroom and I noticed how, look at this, like, it looks like a whirlwind. It's really not as bad as it looks on the video, but you can see all the, it's just fog or mist, I guess. Close to 100% humidity right now, so the visibility is like nothing. I can only see a few feet in front of me, and it's like the flashlight just goes right back in my face. This is the annoyed look of a 7-year-old who wants me to give him the phone back so he can continue watching YouTube while we're camping.
Yeah!
So we have got our campsite packed up. Our tent was right over there. We've got it all on our backs now. Aiden's got his turtle shell cover on to keep his little special stuffed animals that he has in there from getting wet. And we're about to make the short trek down. The visibility is still null and void. We are in a cloud up here. It is drizzled all night, but no storming, just a few gusts of wind here and there. We didn't get wet. We've just been kind of damp the whole time. Yeah, so this was a short...
I was the one that got wet.
You got wet?
My pants were wet.
Your pants got wet? Well, that's, yeah, if you'll notice, Aiden's wearing his pajamas this morning. Because when he went to go to the bathroom last night, he waded through some sticker bushes and got his pants wet. But it's okay. All good.
Are we there yet?
It's all wet and crap, but so pretty.
I'm on your right.
So pretty.
You better watch where you're going.
Right. So, we pretty much made it to the end of our trip. Did you have fun, buddy man?
Yes.
What was your favorite part of the trip? I know, and if you say rain, I'm gonna knock you off the side of this hill.
Half the rain, but mostly how pretty it was.
Just so it was pretty, even though it was raining then. So,
Half rainy, but mostly because it's pretty. It's all wet,
here we are back at the thing, and here, right here is our victory shot.